In this video, I will show you exactly how to reinstate a restricted Facebook advertising account. So if your Facebook account is disabled or restricted and you can see something like account restricted, you are not allowed to use Meta product to advertise. This is because you didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies affecting business assets, such as having too many ads rejected and all that. This is how to go about it. Now, for those who don't know how to get to the account quality, you just need to log into your Facebook, and then you come to the left-hand side and click on Ads Manager. So it will take you to the Ad Manager. Then you will see an interface like what is here. You may be asked to click on Request Review, but I will not. I will advise you that don't click here. What you should do is you have to come here and then click on the three lines at the left-hand corner. Then you go to Business Support Home. Now, the reason why I want you to go to Business Support Home is that it gives you a detailed overview of everything on your ad account. You will know whether it's your user account, your ad account, and whatever is restricted. So this one is what we call user account. It is the user of the account that is restricted. So you can see, then on the right-hand side, you see what you can do. We also have other advertising restrictions such as page restriction. We have page restriction. We have business manager. The procedure is the same. The procedure is the same if it is a page or business manager or advertising account, okay? But so you follow it. It is the same procedure. There are some small differences, So in that case, if you want a video that specifically is about page or business manager, you can check in the comment section, the description of this video. You can check in the description. But what you can see here is the user advertising account. This is a user advertising account. So you request a review, but before you request a review, you need to make some changes. What changes do you make? You have to come here, make sure that the name. So when you come here, you click on your name here, you go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you go to the profile, then you check your account, the name, you see your first and last name, make sure that it is the same as what is on your ID card. If that is okay, then you come and then look at your personal details, the date of birth, then make sure that it is also the same as what is on your ID card. Then you come to your account, again, go to your about section, then you check your gender, okay? Check the gender and see whether it corresponds. You can also check the birth date again here. Yeah, so check the gender and see whether it corresponds. Now, if that is okay, or you are done with that, you just have to come back if everything is the same as what is on your ID card, because the ID card you are using must correspond. And what type of ID do they accept? It is national ID, passport, voter ID, and driving license. These are some of the IDs they accept. That is not all. There are others, but these are the four most popular ones. So if everything is okay and you are ready to appeal, then you come and click on request a review. And before you request a review, you have to write a letter, because they will ask you, when you click on get started and then you upload your image, they will ask you to go further to appeal, and I will show you everything that you will need to do. So let me explain to you before you request the review, before you submit the ID, because when you submit the ID, they will ask you to further request the review. And in that case, you need to write a letter, and the letter should read something like this: hello, Facebook, or dear Facebook representative. My account is restricted, and I am told I didn't comply with one or more of your advertising policies, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent your ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. And this is, I've just taken time to go through your policies, and you can, whatever you see here, you will see that there is the advertising policies is in blue color. When you click on it, it will take you to the policy side so that you can actually see the policy you violated. So you tell them that you are sure you went through the policies and you are sure you have not violated any of them, and you know or you believe this is definitely a mistake, and they should please review your account and reinstate it for you. So after you say that, you submit. But let's now go through it step by step and you actually see what I'm saying. So you verify that you are not a robot. You click on continue, and then they'll ask you to upload an image of your ID card. So you click on upload. Okay, so you upload the image of your ID card. You make sure the name is tallying. And after the name tallies and the birth date is the same, and you are sure everything is tallying, then you can click on continue. So you will be asked to proceed to continue to request a review, and they will ask you the reason for requesting the review. So choose another reason. Then I'm going to actually copy the reason why. I've already written the letter. Just trying to copy it and then paste it. Then you click on send and you click continue. You wait within 48 hours. They said, we are reviewing your Facebook account to determine if it was correctly restricted from advertising. We will notify you within 48 hours from when you requested a review. You can also track the status of this review in support inbox. So you check within 48 hours, definitely you are going to get a message from them indicating that the account is reinstated. So if you take time to follow this and you don't get a solution, you can leave your comments in the comment section or follow the WhatsApp link in the description of this video to WhatsApp us, and we will help you get a solution. We have helped more than 3,000 people in the last 5 years, and we'll help you too. Yeah, so if you are also advertising and you are not getting effective results, you are burning money, a lot of money, but you're not getting effective result that you wanted, please let us know and we will help you get a solution. Once again, thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.